Hello viewers, this is the Science Demystifier. In this video, I will be showing you the likely questions to expect in this forthcoming physics practicals. Okay? Now this is probably the first time I'm posting video on physics practicals on this new channel that I just created. Remember that this channel is designed to help promote success. This channel is designed to help you achieve your goal as a teacher, as a student. Okay, that is the sole aim of creating this channel. I want to be part of your success story. Okay, I want to be part of your success story. So that is why we go extra mile to make sure that we bring out something like this to guide you to your destination. So without wasting much of your time, we'll be going into the practical room. And there we demystify the process. So let's go to class.
Okay, here's a sample question showing the likely question to expect.
Electricity practicals need to be carried out. So this is how you connect your galvanometer. Let me start from this side of the Metre bridge. So we have 2 points. You can see the 2 points. So one point, the one on your right, the wire should be connected to a 1 ohm resistor.
Okay, so this is a sample question we should be expecting this forthcoming physics practicals.
1 ohm resistor, it should be connected to the galvanometer. It should be connected to the galvanometer. At the junction where you have the galvanometer and the 1 ohm resistor, that is where you connect the wire. That's the bare wire. So this wire is what they will ask you to be measuring the length L in the practical. So they will tell you to measure the length of the wire. So now I've measured exactly 20 centimeters of the wire. Okay, as you can see. So when you measure, you use a crocodile clip to hold it. Now the end of the crocodile clip is connected to the other end of the meter bridge. Okay, it's connected to the other end of the meter bridge. So you can see the Constantine wire already on the meter rod for me to use it to get the balance point. So the Constantine wire is lying on the meter rod. Okay, you can see it here. Then the other end of the meter bridge is actually where you connect your key, that's your switch. Now with this end to the switch and then this other end to the battery. So we have to use just a cell of let me say EMF of 1 volt, 1.5 volts. Then the other end, you connect it to the battery. So once you connect these 2 ends to the battery, you will now use your jockey. So the jockey is connected to the other end of your galvanometer, as you can see. So you use the jockey on the Constantine wire, which is lying horizontally on the meter to find your balance point. So as you touch the jockey, you can see the galvanometer deflecting. So you can see the galvanometer deflecting. So you use it to find the balance point. Once the pointer gets to 0, that is the balance point. And then you now stop to take your reading. Okay, so we are looking for the balance points. So you keep on adjusting the jockey. Okay, you can see here we have okay, it has gone past the 0 mark. So keep on adjusting. Okay, I think we are there now. So that's the balance point. So the balance point for this one is around 48.5. Okay, 48.5 for 20 centimeters. So for you to get the length L, you will now do 100 centimeters minus what you got from the balance point, which is 48.5. That will give you the value of your length, which is the Y in the question. So that is how this should be done, and this is how the process will be carried out. So
this is how your observation table should look like.
So this is another way the meter bridge can be connected. They might likely ask you to use a rheostat. So this is how you're going to connect the rheostat if you are asked to use the rheostat. The only difference between this one and the one I did previously is the introduction of a rheostat. Now between the key, I mean the switch, and then this end of the meter bridge. Can you see it? So watch how to connect the rheostat to the meter bridge. So from this end, this one is connected to your rheostat, and then from the rheostat to the switch, then the end of the switch is connected to the battery, as you can see, from the battery now back to the meter bridge. So that's the only difference between this one and the one I did previously, in case you are asked to use a rheostat. So that's how it's going to be installed.